A daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's a weekend. Today, in the daily newspaper of Sunday, February the 10th, Sunday the 11th. February the 11th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku. I will solve this one in a minute, and tomorrow evening the Samurai Sudoku. In the weekend edition, we have here also a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. We have 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, 1 killer Sudoku, 2 binaries 10 by 10, and a jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. 6 puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, and tomorrow afternoon we have here the puzzle page, the additional with extra Sudokus. 7 extra Sudokus, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve tomorrow afternoon. But let me start with the regular puzzles. Regular puzzle, Sudoku Medium. Number, let me zoom this. All right, this will be number 7974. 7974. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 1 star puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 1, 1, okay. 3. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the first row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the first row. Here or there, we see another 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. 7. Come on. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square shoe there. And we have a pair again, the 3 and the 7 in this column, the 3 and the 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. 4 and 8. So 2 numbers left in the last column, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. All right. Okay. 8, 8. 1, 1. 1, 1. Need a 4, need a 5, need a 6. 4, 5, 6. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. All right. Now we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Need a 3 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Come on. The 1 there. 3, 7, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 3, 7, 9. 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9, 3, 7, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Do we have all the 3s? No. No. Okay. How about the 7 then? 7. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 and a 3. We have a 7 now in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the last 1. 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, right. 2, 2. Then. How about the 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in the third column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the third column. 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. This is number 1, number 9. Alright. Alright. 1, 4. 1, 4. We have here 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left with 8 should be there. We have 8 in this row, the 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square formula is the 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square formula was the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in this big square formula. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Then 1 number left in this big square formula. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square formula. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 13 minutes. Wow. We solve it again. 1 star. Let me give this a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14 and 13 minutes. So I give this a 0 stars. Anyway, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.